Again, I'm going to use this palette. I'm going to use this color, this white color, to set my eyelid. First, I'm going to use this shade. Just apply it right here. Blend the shades really well. Clean your brush and then blend out the edges. Now I'm going to use a little bit of yellow color. Just blend the shades with the yellow color now. Blend the edges with the yellow color. And now I'm going to use the black color from this palette. I'm going to apply this black color on my outer area and over here. I'm not going to apply it all over. Just look at what I'm doing. Just apply it right here. And apply it on the outer V also. Now I'm going to take this round brush and blend out the edges. Next, for the middle shadow, I have used this palette. This is the Mars Cosmetics palette, and I have used this color on mid of my eyelid over here to give it more pop in. Adjust with the flat brush into the inner direction. I'm going to apply this glitter on my mid of my eyelid over here. Now blend this edge with the black shade. And now I'm going to use this shade on my lower lash. Now take the black shade and smoke out the lower lash line. First start from the back. First you have to start from the back, okay? Now I'm going to apply the black kajal. This is the blackest of black and I love this kajal so much. Over here also. Lastly, I'm going to use the oil paints from this palette. I'm going to use this orange color. Mascara, I'm going to use this Mars Cosmetics mascara, and for eyelashes I'm going to use this Eyemakeup eyelashes. This is the final finish look. You can definitely see it is looking stunning and gorgeous. You can definitely use this makeup look in your bridal classes and on your brides, and you can definitely switch up the colors as you wish to. So I love this eye makeup so much. Just look at that, color intensity, and everything is looking gorgeous with this look. And yeah, I love this eye makeup so much. Be sure to like, subscribe and share. And if you want to learn more and more these kind of eye makeup tutorials and full face glam makeup tutorials, then please keep on watching. But make sure to like, subscribe and share. And you can definitely follow me on Instagram. My handle is Rachmakeups, and you can definitely follow me on my Facebook handle is Rach Studio. So you can definitely follow me there. And see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.